Hi, this is Joe from Joe's Tech Bits, back with another video on my N-scale trains. I've done quite a bit since the last video. I think I did anyhow, but this is my experience setting up a layout, which is, I guess you could call it almost a temporary layout, where I started with a foldable table 30 inches by 72 inches. Really nice table. Actually, I'll put a link to my first video in the description. In addition to setting up track, I just set up some piers or trestles that I got from Amazon, and I'll show you my experience with that. And I will show you my experience trying to create a tunnel, or maybe a mini mountain. But I will need some suggestions on that. Maybe you have some ideas with what I could do with it after you've seen what I've done with it so far. Maybe nothing, maybe just dump it in the recycling bin, or I'm sure somebody could come up with some good ideas for that. So, let's take a look at what I did, and leave comments, subscribe, put likes, all that stuff, or not, you know, it's your choice. So, here we go. I bought the set of Cato Piers. Unfortunately, this is the set I got. 23016. Unfortunately, when I bought them from Amazon, there wasn't a lot of information on them. And after I got them, I saw that they had a white piece connected to the top of the piers. Unfortunately, these don't connect directly to the Cato Unitrack, but it wasn't really made clear in the Amazon information. I found out later, after I saw what the problem was, that they don't work unless you have something called viaduct track, which is a special track you have to buy, and it's very expensive. So I figured, well, I could either return them or come up with a solution, which I have, to mount the piers. What I ended up doing was taking the piece out that connects with the viaduct track, and rather than gluing it or using double-sided tape, which I tried, I decided to use Velcro. Velcro makes it real easy to unconnect or take it off the track if I want to use the track for another purpose. And it just, the adhesive just sticks on this side. Of course, I'd have to pull the back plastic off for the adhesive. And then, as you can see here, what I did, I put the, I guess is this is the loop side. No, this is the hook side. This is the loop side, I think. I put this one side here and this side here, and all you have to do is connect them together. And even though it moves a little bit, but it's not going anywhere, you can see. And again, it fixes my problem with having to use the viaduct track. I can use just a regular Cato Unitrack. So I'm going to try that, and when I finish putting it on my layout, I'll take another video and show it to you. I put the Piers on the track with the Velcro, and you can see they're very stable. I'm testing out the new Piers, the risers. It's a train. Actually, the train struggles a little bit getting up the hill, but I would expect it to. I guess I'll have to try a couple more engines on there and see what happens. But as far as the Piers, they worked out perfectly for my situation. And if I need the track for something else, I can take the Piers off and just use it somewhere else. That's it. I added an Amtrak helper engine to help the Alaskan train get up the grade that I created. And it seems like it's really working out good. It does slow down hardly when it gets up to the grade or goes over it. Working out real nice. I wanted to show you the progress on my tunnel. If you remember from my first video, I glued a couple K-cup boxes, K-cup coffee boxes together. And what I did, I thought it would look like a portal on each end. So I glued them together. And now what I've done, I put styrene on all the sides, thinking I will come up with some maybe chunks up here, fill in some of these seams here somehow. Maybe even put some crumpled paper, I'm not sure exactly what, and then eventually paint it like a rocky color. So that's how far I got with that so far, which wasn't too far, but it didn't take me too much time to do it. So, probably won't see the results of this till my next video, but I'll look for suggestions. I'm testing my tunnel that I put together out of the K-cup coffee boxes so far. And I put polystyrene all around, top, bottom, front, and you can see the back. And I just wanted to make sure the entrance and exit was big enough to have the trains pass through. I might need to make it a little bit bigger if I use it on the other side of the layout, since the tracks are a little further, or I can just move the tracks closer together. Either way though, seems to be coming along good, but I need to know what to do with the next step. Maybe you can mention it in the comments and let me know what you think I should do. Add more chunks of styrene, paint it, add some paper, crumpled paper, or whatever. I had thought of several different things to do with it, but let me know if you think of anything. Well, that's about it for this video. I don't know if you noticed the colored glass little circle things I have under the trestle. I meant that to kind of look like a little pond over there. It's kind of a stretch, but you know, it's a temporary setup. If I need to move a pond with water and everything, it's a lot harder than moving some stones. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Again, leave me any suggestions in the comments on what I should do next. I think I might look at, well, besides working on the tunnel some more, I might look at adding some switches, some turnouts, and maybe connect the two tracks together or something. But in any case, it's been fun working on this and fun making the video to show you what I've done. So I hope to see you next time. Hope you'll have a great week and a great weekend, which is right now for me, but maybe next weekend. Have a great next weekend and a great day, what's left today. And please do a like, maybe a subscribe, and leave comments. And thanks a lot, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.